Papua New Guinea earthquake. Pacific Ring of Fire alert as 6.5 magnitude quake hits Papua New Guinea was hit by a powerful 6.5 magnitude earthquake which struck in the island's remote highlands on Saturday, the European Earthquake Monitoring Service reported. The very shallow quake was only 2 kms, 1.2 miles, deep and 93 kilometers, 58 miles, southwest of Porgera in the Enga province, said the EMSC. Quakes are common in Papua New Guinea, which sits on the Pacific's Ring of Fire, a hotspot for seismic activity due to friction between tectonic plates. There were no immediate reports of damage or injury. The quake was 82 kms, 51 miles, southwest of Porgera in Enga province and 47 kms, 30 miles, deep, said the USGS. Earlier European Quake Monitor EMSC reported it had 6.5 magnitude and only 2 kms, 1.2 miles, deep, but later scaled it down. The earthquake happened just 2 months after a 7.5 quake struck the same highlands area, killing 125 people and leaving hundreds of thousands of people homeless. February's quake also damaged mining and power infrastructure and led ExxonMobil Corp to shut its $19 billion liquefied natural gas, LNG, plant, the country's biggest export earner. Miners Barrick Gold Corp and KTD Mining also reported damage to infrastructure. Some of the recourse company.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to us on YouTube. If you like donate to us, visit home on the page PayPal.